Mastering emendation, a key word for IELTS success. Achieving a band score of 9.0 in IELTS requires mastery of sophisticated vocabulary. Today, we're focusing on a word that exemplifies precision in language: emendation. Word type: emendation is a noun, meaning an emendation is a correction or alteration made to a text, typically to improve its accuracy or quality. It's particularly relevant in academic and literary contexts where precision is paramount. Word history: the term originates from the Latin word emendatio, meaning correction or improvement. It stems from the verb emendare, which combines meaning out and menda, meaning fault or blemish. Understanding this etymology helps us grasp the essence of removing errors or imperfections. Antonyms. Antonyms for emendation include error, mistake, corruption, and inaccuracy. These words represent the opposite of what an emendation aims to achieve. Synonyms. Synonyms that capture the essence of emendation include correction, revision, rectification, amendment, and improvement. Each of these words shares the core concept of enhancing or refining something, particularly in written form. Examples used in sentences. The editor's emendation of the manuscript significantly improved its clarity and coherence. Scholars debate whether the emendation in the ancient text reflects the author's original intent or a later interpreter's understanding. The committee reviewed all proposed emendations to the Constitution before putting them to a vote. Common errors in use. A common mistake is confusing emendation with amendment. While both involve changes, an emendation specifically refers to corrections in a text, whereas an amendment can apply to various contexts, including laws and agreements. Another error is using emendation interchangeably with editing. Emendation is a more specific term, focusing on correcting errors or making improvements, while editing encompasses a broader range of changes and refinements. Mastering words like emendation not only enhances your vocabulary, but also demonstrates a nuanced understanding of language. In the IELTS exam, using such precise terminology accurately can elevate your responses, showcasing the depth and sophistication expected at the highest band scores. Remember, the key to effective use lies in understanding not just the definition, but the context and nuances of application.